The Chained Maiden Andromeda's Tale in the Stars, written by Brian Cox. High above us in the velvet darkness of the night sky twinkles a faint, fuzzy patch of light. This seemingly insignificant smudge is a gateway to a story that spans both time and space, a story that has fascinated humanity for millennia. This is the Andromeda Galaxy, our closest galactic neighbor. Located about 2.537 million light-years from Earth, it is the largest galaxy in the local group, which also includes our Milky Way, the Triangulum Galaxy, and about 54 other smaller galaxies. Even with the naked eye, it hints at a grand story, a tale whispered across unimaginable distances. The light we see from Andromeda today began its journey long before humans walked the Earth, carrying with it the secrets of the universe's past. The ancient Greeks saw in this celestial smudge the figure of Andromeda, a princess chained to a rock. According to myth, Andromeda was the daughter of King Cepheus and Queen Cassiopeia of Ethiopia. Her mother boasted that Andromeda was more beautiful than the Nereids, sea nymphs who were the daughters of the sea god Nereus. She was fated to be sacrificed to a sea monster, Cetus, as punishment for her mother's hubris. Chained to a rock by the sea, Andromeda awaited her grim fate. However, her story took a dramatic turn when Perseus, the hero who had slain Medusa, arrived on his winged horse, Pegasus. But her story, like the galaxy itself, is one of drama, beauty, and ultimately, survival. Perseus rescued Andromeda, and they were married, their union symbolizing triumph over adversity. This tale of heroism and love has been immortalized in the stars, with constellations named after Andromeda, Perseus, and Pegasus. Andromeda's myth, passed down through generations, reflects humanity's early fascination with the cosmos. These stories were not just entertainment. They were a way for ancient people to make sense of the world around them, to find patterns in the chaos of the night sky. We gazed at the stars, weaving stories to explain their mysteries. These myths provided a framework for understanding the universe, long before the advent of modern science. They connected people to the cosmos, fostering a sense of wonder and curiosity that persists to this day. Today, armed with scientific knowledge, we can appreciate Andromeda not just as a mythical figure, but as a vast and complex galaxy, teeming with billions of stars and holding secrets to the universe's evolution. Modern astronomy has revealed that Andromeda and the Milky Way are on a collision course, set to merge in about 4.5 billion years, creating a new galaxy. This cosmic dance is a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the universe. As we look up at the night sky, we are not just seeing points of light, we are witnessing the history and future of the cosmos. The Andromeda Galaxy, with its rich tapestry of stars and stories, invites us to ponder our place in the universe and the grand narrative of existence. It is a tale of beauty, resilience, and the enduring human spirit, forever etched in the stars. A galactic neighbor unveiling Andromeda's majesty. The Andromeda Galaxy, a majestic spiral of stars, gas, and dust, has fascinated astronomers and stargazers alike for centuries. Its beauty and grandeur are a testament to the wonders of the universe. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is just one of billions in the observable universe. Each galaxy, with its unique structure and composition, tells a story of cosmic evolution and the forces that shape the universe. Andromeda, also known as Messier 31 or M31, is our closest major galactic neighbor. This proximity allows us to study it in great detail, providing insights into the nature of galaxies and their interactions. It lies approximately 2.5 million light-years away from us. This distance, while vast, is relatively small on the cosmic scale, making Andromeda an ideal subject for astronomical research. This might seem like an immense distance, and it is, but on the cosmic scale, it's like having a friend living in the next town over. The vastness of space is filled with such neighbors, each contributing to the tapestry of the cosmos. Andromeda is a spiral galaxy, much like our own. Spiral galaxies are characterized by their flat, rotating disks and spiral arms, which are sites of active star formation. It's a vast, rotating disk of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter. Dark matter, an elusive and invisible substance, makes up a significant portion of Andromeda's mass, influencing its rotation and structure. Its diameter is estimated to be about 220,000 light-years, making it at least twice the size of the Milky Way. This immense size means that Andromeda contains a wealth of stars, planets, and other celestial objects. It contains an estimated 1 trillion stars, dwarfing the Milky Way's estimated 200 to 400 billion. Each of these stars could potentially host planetary systems, some of which might harbor conditions suitable for life. Just like our galaxy, Andromeda's spiral arms are regions of intense star formation, where gas and dust coalesce to ignite new suns. These regions are the birthplaces of stars, where the raw materials of the universe come together to create new stellar generations. In a few billion years, Andromeda and the Milky Way are expected to collide and merge, forming a new galaxy. This cosmic event will reshape the structure of both galaxies, creating a new, larger galaxy that will continue to evolve over time. For now, Andromeda remains a stunning feature of our night sky, visible to the naked eye from dark locations. Its presence reminds us of the vastness of the universe and the endless possibilities it holds. As we continue to explore and study Andromeda, we uncover more about the nature of galaxies and the universe itself. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding our place in the cosmos and the intricate dance of celestial bodies that shape our existence. The Andromeda Galaxy, with its beauty and mystery, serves as a beacon for our quest for knowledge. It invites us to look beyond our own galaxy and to marvel at the wonders that lie beyond, inspiring generations of astronomers and dreamers alike. A cosmic dance, the inevitable embrace of galaxies. This is a story of two colossal entities, the Milky Way and Andromeda Galaxies, destined to meet in a grand cosmic ballet. The universe is not a static place. It is a dynamic, ever-changing expanse where galaxies drift and dance through the vastness of space. Galaxies, like celestial dancers, are constantly moving and interacting with each other. They are pulled by the invisible threads of gravity, weaving intricate patterns across the cosmos. Andromeda and the Milky Way are no exception. These two massive galaxies are on a slow but inevitable collision course, drawn together by their mutual gravitational attraction. In fact, we are on a collision course, destined to meet in a spectacular cosmic display billions of years from now. This event will be a monumental moment in the history of our universe. This might sound like a catastrophic event, and on a galactic scale, it is. The collision will dramatically reshape both galaxies, creating a new, larger galaxy in the process. But it's important to remember the vastness of space. The distances between stars within a galaxy are so immense that, despite the collision, the likelihood of individual stars crashing into each other is incredibly low. Galaxies are mostly empty space, with stars spread out over enormous distances. This vast emptiness means that even as galaxies merge, the stars within them will mostly pass by each other without direct collisions. While the galaxies will collide, individual stars are unlikely to crash into each other directly. Instead, their paths will be altered by the gravitational forces at play, leading to new orbits and formations. Instead, their paths will be altered by gravity, creating a dazzling new galactic structure. This new formation will be a blend of both galaxies, a testament to the ever-changing nature of the universe. The result will be a new galaxy, a combination of the Milky Way and Andromeda, with stars and planetary systems finding new homes in this newly formed cosmic entity. This new galaxy will be a beautiful and complex structure, a symbol of the ongoing evolution of the universe. It will be a place where new stars are born and new planetary systems emerge. The collision of the Milky Way and Andromeda is just one chapter in the grand story of the universe. It reminds us that the cosmos is a place of constant change and transformation. As we look up at the night sky, we are witnessing the ongoing dance of galaxies, a dance that has been happening for billions of years and will continue for billions more. The universe is a vast, dynamic, and ever-evolving place, full of wonder and mystery. The inevitable embrace of galaxies is a reminder of the incredible forces at work in the universe, shaping and reshaping the cosmos in ways we are only beginning to understand. It is a testament to the beauty and complexity of the universe we call home. When galaxies collide, it's like a symphony of stars and gas. The collision between Andromeda and the Milky Way will be a slow and drawn-out affair, unfolding over billions of years. As the two galaxies approach each other, their gravitational pull will increase. This will distort their shapes, drawing out long tails of stars and gas. The first close encounter will trigger bursts of star formation in both galaxies. The immense clouds of gas and dust will be compressed, igniting new generations of stars. The night sky will be ablaze with the light of these newborn stars, a spectacular show for any potential civilizations around to witness it. Over billions of years, Andromeda and the Milky Way will pass through each other multiple times. Each passage will further distort their shapes, eventually merging them into a single giant elliptical galaxy. This new galaxy, sometimes called Milkomeda, will be a very different place from the two spiral galaxies that preceded it. The spiral arms will disappear, replaced by a smoother, more diffuse structure. The supermassive black holes at the centers of each galaxy will also merge, releasing enormous amounts of energy in the process. This event will be visible across the universe, a testament to the power of gravity on a cosmic scale.